Alright guys, today an old-time trapper. I got my Crossman Phantom right here, pellet gun, because I can't shoot 22s in the village here. But I got it. If you can see that board down there, right there, against the tree, I'm shooting targets right at that. And I'll turn the slow-mo on right now. I'll be shooting. So here we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're going down to see the target now where I hit it. I couldn't really see. I wrote it in Sharpie. Smart like me, but highlighter. Technically my trap line here, I just kind of shooting around at it. Oh yeah, I didn't hit it too bad actually. Hit it right there, and there's the center dot. But I'll be making videos of me hunting squirrels, and I'm sighting in my rifle this year, the 22 I got for Christmas. Made plenty of videos on that. And if this looks familiar, if you ever watched any of my other videos. Whoa. There's a bird up there. But if you watch any of my other videos, this should look familiar to you. And I got my squirrel stand right here that I made with my dad. The ladder I just hung up. I guess I could take that down now, but I'm not going to. So this has been my video on shoot my Crossman Phantom 1.177 caliber pellet gun. So happy trapping, safe shooting. Bye bye.